Hey, this is BlindFox and welcome at my unboxing. Please support the channel, please subscribe and please go and donate on patreon.com. Today we're going to do another unboxing from MRE Mountain. And this package came all the way from the Netherlands, so let's see what's inside. So go check out MRE Mountain on their website, they ship worldwide. Let's see what we have. Ooh. We've got some emptiness and a lot of these little worms, and if we can rid this from all these worms. And here we have a Lithuanian ration pack, 1 meal. So we'll go and check this out some. Another one of these. I hate these. So I'll check this out sometime. So this again I got from MRE Mountain. So go and check them out. Nice people there. And thanks for watching. Please support the channel. Please subscribe. And please go and donate on patreon.com.